Hello guys, in this short video I will show you how we can connect our mobile to the Windows PC in order to mirror our screen on PC. Let's get started. First of all, click on display setting and click on projecting to this PC, and here you can see we don't have any option. Actually, it's a additional feature in Windows 10, so we have to go to optional feature, then add a feature. Here type wireless and install this feature. Let's wait a few minutes and let it install. As you can see, our wireless display has been installed. Let's go back and now click on projecting to this PC, and you can see that we have a connect application. Now click on this option, launch the connect app to project to this PC. Here we go. So our PC is ready for cast or mobile screen. Now go to on your mobile setting, look for a cast, and do the wireless display option on, and you will see your PC name there like this. Click on that. That's it, guide. We have installed our drivers, and now you can see your mobile screen on your PC. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share if you like the video. Bye bye.